Hello, and I hope everyone's having a great Tuesday afternoon. I'm meteorologist BJ Simpson from the National Weather Service, and we're going to discuss the potential for a little bit of winter weather this weekend. A quick synopsis: this warm weather many of us have enjoyed is coming to an end, most likely by Thursday for most, as a cold front comes into the area Thursday night and brings us back down toward what we would expect to see this time of year. Beyond that cold front, we do have the potential for some wintry precipitation Friday night through Saturday night. Due to low confidence in our current forecast models, the uncertainty is a little bit above average, but it does look like Saturday night will probably be the best chance for accumulating snows if we do see any. So let's jump right ahead here. Here's the forecast for Friday night. We'll be watching this area of low pressure move from the New Mexico border toward us, and could see a little bit of light rain, about a 20 to 30% chance here Friday night. Some parts of the eastern panhandles may see a little bit of a mix with some light rain or maybe even a little bit of freezing rain if temperatures are able to stay right around 32 degrees. As we go into Saturday morning, same thing, eastern panhandles, maybe the northern panhandles could see a little bit of a wintry mix, but we do expect most everything to be a cold rain. There is just a little bit of uncertainty on this Friday night through Saturday forecast, and there is a small chance that this cold air that we expect to be further north at this time could have already made it in here. So just stay tuned and make sure that that doesn't happen, but we think the best chances are going to be for a cold rain Friday night and Saturday. As we head into Saturday afternoon, once again, a little bit of cold rain possible, but you can see the snow kind of starting to get closer to the area as that cold air begins to surge down east of the Rockies. And as that cold air moves in Saturday night, we could see the rain change to snow, and that's what we're expecting to see. The question is going to be how quickly the rain changes to snow before it moves right on out of the area. That is one of the problems we're facing and why we have some uncertainty, and you'll have to stay tuned throughout this forecast. But if we are going to see accumulating snows, it is going to be in this period. And as you can see, by midday Sunday, most all of any of the lingering snow will be moving off to the east. It is worth noting, if you've looked at these, as you've looked through these images, that the eastern part of the country, from Friday on through the weekend, is going to be affected by the several systems actually, and if you have travel plans out that direction, it's definitely worth taking a look at what it's going to be like before you head out. So our probability of winter weather hazards, freezing drizzle, low to medium probability of that. An ice storm, pretty low threat for that. The main threat, if we do get anything, is going to be some light snow accumulations. And like I said, probably Saturday night will be the best chances. Heavy snow threat right now looks on the lower side, but if everything comes together just right and the cold air gets in a little quicker than we're expecting currently, we could end up seeing at least an area of heavy snow. So that's why it's worth keeping an eye on this. Blizzard threat does seem low, although we could have enough winds probably Saturday night to blow some of that snow around 15 to 30 miles per hour. Our forecast confidence, just another way of looking at it here, we've got precipitation chances. We've got medium confidence, about at least a 50% chance that a lot of the area will at least see some precipitation, whether it be in the form of rain or snow. However, there is still some chance that the system could slide entirely to our southeast and leave us high and dry. Our amounts, with what we talked about earlier, the amounts are dependent on a lot of factors, and the confidence is low on that. Timing, pretty good confidence in that Friday night through Sunday morning. Precip type, once again, as we talked about earlier, pretty low confidence right now, but we hope for that to increase over the next couple days. So the bottom line, just stay tuned. This is just kind of a heads up for you that there is the potential for some winter weather. Not saying it's necessarily going to happen, but there is some potential out there. And as the next few days roll by, we should be able to pin down the details a little better on this system. So thank you for joining us, and stay tuned.